Welcome everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transform this normal face to this logo. In just few steps, you will have your face as a logo by the way you want. First of all, let's make a selection of the face, by any selection tool you want. I'd prefer the polygonal lasso tool. We don't want the selection to be perfect. As this photo has white background, we will select around the face. Now simply press Ctrl J for Windows. For Mac, press Command J to make a new layer containing the selection we did. Now let's refine our selection and first press the eyeball to hide the background. Then go to Image, Adjustments, Threshold. Then adjust the threshold level until the image contain all of the face details. You're free to modify the original face as it your face. Just don't wipe a lot of details. And if you choose a level that you don't like, you can come back to the threshold again and modify it freely. As you can see, my value here is 128. It's not necessary to be the same at your face too. Just adjust it until you're satisfied with the face details. Second step here is to remove the remaining white color from the selected background. The most accurate way here and the easiest is the Color Range selection tool. Go to Select, Color Range. Now let's choose the black color from our selection. This technique here depends on all the black color levels. So we need to mark different parts of our selection so the tool won't miss any part of the face. By pressing the Shift key, you are adding to the color levels that the Color Range tool will keep. Mark as many as possible from the face. The more you add, the better the selection will be. You can also change the selection as we select the black color only. The shadow select will be awesome. This will allow you to choose fewer parts of the black color. Then you can adjust the range so it will add the black levels between them automatically. Don't go too much with the range. Just adjust it until the red color over the black is softer than the red on the white. Now we created a selection of the face, and as the last time, press Ctrl J for Windows or Command J for Mac. We don't need this layer, so simply drag it to the bin icon to delete. Look how clear is that. Let's clean our face now and remove this hair and other stuff we cannot see. Create a new layer. Press Shift and F5 to fill it with a color. I'd like the green color. And press OK. Now drag that green color layer to the bottom of the logo, and go to the logo layer. Press right click. Blending options. Drop a shadow and make it softer than the logo. Now use the eraser tool to erase appendages you don't want in the image. Choose the right eraser brush before doing anything. I'm happy with that. Now hide the shadow and remove the green layer by dragging it to the bin as we did. There's nothing better to do here. Let's create our PNG. Press Ctrl N for Windows, Command N for Mac to create a new image. I'll choose the HD resolution 1980 by 1080. Simply drag and drop the logo we created to the new image. Oops. Don't worry and go to the layer edge and press Shift key and start adjusting the image size. The Shift key will allow you to keep the layer ratio. You can also keep the layer ratio by clicking this shackle icon before clicking that check mark on the top right. Even if you accidentally missed with the ratio, it will get it back. Now you get the idea. Press that check mark after you finish. Now let's decorate our logo by putting a layer on it. I would prefer the galaxy layer. And by the same adjusting as the logo, put that galaxy on the top of it. Now simply right click. Create clipping mask. Perfect. Let's save it as PNG format. The PNG format saves one or more layer if you remove the background. So we need to keep the logo only. And to make that, let's first drag the background to the bin icon to delete. Now go to File. Save as. Save as type. Choose PNG. Then choose the name and press save. It'll open the PNG options. Choose the smallest slow compression for better quality. And choose non-interlaced so the image will appear clearly on the internet and the PC. If you choose interlaced, it might look pixelated in the first, then it will render the actual quality. Finally press OK. Then go to where you saved the logo and enjoy. That is all for this tutorial. Good day.